If you've recently encountered security checks on Snapchat and need to restore full access to your account, follow these steps to regain control. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Verify your identity. Start by opening the Snapchat app and logging in. If prompted, follow the instructions to verify your identity through the email or phone number associated with your account. This may involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone. Step 2. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, go to the Settings menu and select Password. Choose the option to reset your password. Follow the prompts to create a new, secure password that you can remember. Step 3. Review account security settings. After resetting your password, navigate to the security settings in your account. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. This will require a verification code sent to your phone whenever you log in from a new device. Step 4. Check for suspicious activity. Inspect your account for any suspicious activity. Look through your friends list, recent snaps, and messages. If you notice anything unusual, remove any unknown contacts and report any suspicious activity to Snapchat support. Step 5. Contact Snapchat support. If you are still facing issues accessing your account, reach out to Snapchat support. Provide them with all necessary details, including your username, email, and a description of the problem. They will assist you in restoring full access. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Snapchat account after completing the necessary security checks. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to seek additional help from Snapchat support team.